Well, over the last couple of decades, officers have cracked down on drunk driving. Now they're facing another growing trend. This time it's drugged driving. TV6's Jennifer Perez joins us now with more on this story. Jennifer?
Well, Steve, it's called operating while under the influence of drugs. It's an issue rarely heard of up until 5 years ago. Now the growing number of people arrested for driving while drugged has become a prevalent issue in Marquette County. A growing number of people are getting arrested for driving while under the influence of drugs, mainly prescription drugs.
For the last 3 to 5 years, it really kind of got onto our radar. Before that, it was pretty unheard of. It'd be a rare case where we'd have somebody driving under the influence of a controlled substance.
According to prosecuting attorney Matt Weesey, the number of arrests continues to rise yearly. In the last 6 months, there's been 150 cases of people driving while intoxicated. Of those, 15 were abusing prescription drugs.
They may have started out with something like marijuana or alcohol, and ultimately it's an abuse of a prescription drug. And usually they're obtained not in a legal way, either by doctor seeking or just by people who will get a prescription and sell their pills.
Sergeant Kevin Dowling with the Michigan State Police says driving under the influence of prescription drugs is becoming more common. They're also concerned of an increase in abuse of medical marijuana while driving. So some troopers are specifically trained to use physical indicators to identify if a driver is on drugs.
A drug recognition expert who's looking for particular behavioral patterns, speech, eyes. They look at sometimes they're looking at your tongue, your mouth, what kind of demeanor you have.
Those arrested for driving under the influence typically have an opportunity to enroll in sobriety or drug court. It's a 2-year program with intense supervision that gets people clean. And according to Matt Weesey, those who successfully go through the program have a low rate of relapsing again. Steve?
A problem that's going to only get worse.
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks a lot, Jennifer.